Hello darlings! For today's video, I'll be creating a cranberry look featuring products by Makeup Revolution. First, I'm filling in my brows with the City Color Be Bold Brow Pomade in the shade Medium using the Bodyography Brow Brush. After I've filled in any sparse areas and given myself more of an arch, I'm cleaning up the lower edge of the brow with the PLOUISE base in the shade 0.5 using the PLOUISE Acid Rain brush. Then I'm setting the hairs in place with the City Color Be Bold Brow Gel and priming my eyelids in preparation for eyeshadow using the PLOUISE base. Today I'm using the Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless Allure eyeshadow palette, which is $15. I'm first picking up this cranberry shade called Suave and applying this into my outer V and crease using the M506 brush by MORPHE. I'm blending this a little bit before going on to the next shade by swooping my brush back and forth in circular and windshield wiper motions.
I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone. So save your judgment cause you just don't know, but some things never.
Next, I'm picking up this shade called J'adore and applying this along the upper edge of what we just applied in order to create a gradient. To blend the look into the brow bone area, I'm taking a clean fluffy brush and sweeping this along the outer edge of the shadow. To add some additional depth to the look, I'm adding the plum shade called Nymph into the outer V using the Morphe JH40 brush. Now I'm taking this shimmery shade called Magnetic and applying this to the lid, essentially creating a half-cut crease. I'm using the Super Flick eyeliner to create a winged liner. This eyeliner is really precise, however the only downfall is that it's quite shiny. To make the wing extra sharp, I'm taking some concealer and running it along the edge of the wing. I'm also dragging this product down a bit so that I won't need to go next to my eyeliner when applying the rest of my makeup, and therefore I won't smudge that wing. Now for face makeup, I'm first priming with the Beauty Blender Opal Essence Primer Serum, then I'm adding some glow with the Makeup Revolution Molten Body Glow Liquid Illuminator in the shade Gold. For foundation, I'm using the City Color Be Nude foundation in the shade Nude 101 and blending that in by pouncing it on with a damp beauty blender. For concealer, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite in the shade C1. I absolutely love the Makeup Revolution concealers, whether it be this one, the regular Conceal and Define, or the Conceal and Hydrate. After blending that in, I'm setting it in place with the Luxury Banana Baking Powder. I'm pressing this onto the skin with a damp Real Techniques mini sponge. However, this is a little too dark for my skin tone, so I think I'll need to try the translucent powder instead. Now to add some definition to the face, I'm contouring with the Pro HD Powder Contour Palette. I'm applying this shade with the Firma 103 brush, which I'm really liking lately as it's the perfect size for my face. To contour my nose, I'm switching my brush to a more precise flat brush, and then I'm tapping my beauty sponge over top in order to blend it some more. For highlight, I'm picking up this shade here from the same palette and applying it to the highest points of my face, as well as the inner corners of my eyes. Next, I'm blushing it up with the Buxom Wanderlust blush in the shade Goa. To set everything in place and melt the powders down for a skin-like finish, I'm spraying on the Conceal and Define Infinite Makeup Fixing Spray by Makeup Revolution, and then I'm extending the inner corner of my eye with some eyeliner. Next, I'm using the Mascara Revolution, and then I'm popping on some falsies from Onfleekbox in the style Princess.
Never change, never change. You think I would look pretty.
Now I'm adding some black eyeliner by Buxom to my waterline and finishing off the eyes with mascara on my lower lashes.
Can't bear the things I've had to face. Got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change.
Finally, for lips, I'm first applying the Makeup Revolution Satin Kiss Lipstick in Ruby, and then I'm deepening it up with the City Color Creamy Lips in the shade Chocolate Merlot. The mix of these two lippies creates a beautiful cranberry shade.
I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone. So save your judgment cause you just don't know, but some things never.
And that completes this look. Let me know if you like Makeup Revolution in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!